Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 2 ways how to sort notes on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So what you want to do is to click on Notes and open them, and here in the folders you can go to the Notes or all iCloud. So the first option, let me go to the Notes, and here the first option is to go with the 3 dots right here, and then you can sort. I click sort by, and here you have options. So default is going to be the one that we are going to change the settings. So the default is going to be date edited by now. Date created, you can go with the date created or the title, as you can see. Let's leave it as default, and now let's go back and go to all iCloud. And as you can see here, you cannot select the type of sorting. You're going to get only by the day edited. So now let's switch and open settings. In the settings, you want to swipe down and click on Notes, and then you want to go swipe down again, and here you have the first option in viewing section, sort notes by, and you can click on this one, and if you click, you're going to be able to choose between 3: the day edited, the first one, the date created, the second one, and the title, the third one. So if you go with the date created, you're going to get the notes by date created, and the first one are going to be notes that are the latest. As you can see, there's nothing really changes, but let's go to the settings and select by title, and then go back to the notes. So now, as you can see, we are in the all iCloud, and we had the sorting by default, so the editing day, and now we have the editing by the title. So as you can see, A is first right now. If you go to the notes, we are going to get the sorting by name also, but if you go to the 3 dots, now the default is going to be title, but still we can select the, for example, date edited, and this is going to be, the most latest edit is going to be on the top. So here in the sort by name, you can change it. I'm going to leave it to date edited because this works the best for me. So yeah, this is it. These are the 2 options that you can sort notes on iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.